Hello my friends, in this video I will be changing the bearings on my rear wheel and the sprocket assembly. So let's do it. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is there is a bearing retainer on the wheels, and you have to have a special tool for that. I didn't have the tool, but I created it. I just used a normal 30mm socket, and I have used a file and filed down the grooves. So first of all, we have to remove the retainer ring. The retainer ring. Now we need something to offset the center shaft. Okay, after you offset the shaft, turn it around and use something to pry it out. So I will use this again. Shaft is out, the bearing is out. For the other side now. There is the bearing. For the replacement, I have got a set from Sneaky Glides, which comes as 3 bearings and a seal. So these 2 will be for the sprocket, and these 2 are for the wheel. I put these bearings into the freezer last night, so now I'm going to install them. First of all, we need to clean out the surface. I will make this side first, so clean the grooves. It has to be clean, smooth. The bearings are sealed from both sides. The previous ones were not sealed, only one side. Put the bearing in the old place and use the old bearing as a guide. Tap it in. For the other side, you need to put the spacer inside. So first of all, clean it. It's not rusted or anything, so it's good. this as a guide, so it's centered. Now put the new bearing in. First of all, of course, we need to clean the groove. Put the new bearing inside. Use the old bearing as a guide, so you do not damage the new one. Put it on top of the old one, put the old one on top of the new one, and slightly press hammer it in. Side. It's okay. Now what is left is put the retainer ring inside. First of all, clean it. Check for damages. If it's not damaged, then it still can be reused. Put the retainer ring inside, and again use the tool. Apply pressure. Okay, that's okay from my feelings. Marks here, so I'll put the wheel on the same mark so I can see moving or not. That should be fine. So this is for the wheel. Now let's go to the sprocket part. For the sprocket, first we need to get the seal off, the old one. Now it's finally out. There is a retainer ring inside, so use a tool to get the retainer ring out. Use the pliers to get the retainer ring out. what is left is put the new bearing there and the new seal. So use a towel or rag and clean the grooves. Now with the new bearing, it's sealed from both sides again. The old one was sealed from one side, other side was open. I have seals on both sides. Put the new bearing the inside. Okay. Use the old bearing again. Inside. Put the retainer ring inside. Okay. And now what is left is put the new seal in and press it in. Okay. Now use the old seal as a guide and hammer in the new seals. Put the old seal on top of the new one and slightly hammer it in. Okay, and that's it. The bearings on the rear wheel are changed. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any other videos. See you in the next video. Bye.